still recording. Anyways, I had to put some washers right there I had to put some washers in there as spacers because it wasn't doing the orbital thing, it was just rotary. Let's try that again. Okay, so the primer, the high build primer is already sanded with 320. Everything's ready for some paint. On the wiper cowl, I had also sprayed some primer as well. This was pretty dry, so we're all going to paint it the same, black all the way to the top, and even the wiper arms as well. So right here along the edge, I used the air, like compressed air with the blowgun, and just removed all the loose paint because it is plastic and it wrinkles up. Paint dries and it kind of like hardens, so it'll just blow and possibly land on your fresh paint, so we don't want that. So just removed all the loose paint all the way around, and now we are ready to spray. Now, since this is a beater vehicle, it's a work truck or whatever it may be, I'm going to use the cheap option, which is the Rust-Oleum paints. This is the 2X paint and primer. It's a satin canyon black. So the way I do it, instead of just using the spray can and just spraying the paint, I'm going to puncture a hole right here on top and just allow a bit of the compressed air just to vent out, and then I'll use a filter and pour it into the spray gun. The reason I use a filter on this sealed can is sometimes there is debris or sediment on the bottom of the can, so just filtering it out. And a spray gun, this is the Spectrum, this is the HTE, high transfer efficiency from Harbor Freight. It's pretty good, it has a 1.3 tip. So the spray gun gives us a way better fan pattern than the tip here. I'll clean all this mess. Satin Canyon Black. This is just a screw, 3-inch exterior screw, and just one tap. Look at that. Now a small hole like that will just slowly release the pressure from the can. There's no paint coming out. If you do a bigger hole, this is what might happen, and I'm just teaching you. If you do a bigger hole, some paint might start flowing out. So you gotta like hold the nail just close by. Just hold it. So you see, so I have a filter, just cover the can. And just pour the paint in here. Alright, another thing about the Rust-Oleum paints is that it is not compressed air in here. It's some type of propellant that it is mixed with the paint, so if you shake up the paint even here, it'll create more pressure. That's why you can't use a PPS, paint preparation system cup. Here, you gotta use the gravity feed with a vent. That way the paint can just release some air, some excess pressure out, because it will create more pressure. So as I said, low PSI, about 15 to 17 PSI, and that's it, just regular paint. So the process here was I punctured the first can and I sprayed the wiper cowl, and since it's only 12 ounces and the spray gun has room for at least 20, I opened the second can, and that's when I did like the whole first coat on the hood. I actually started the second coat and I finished it, but I opened the third can actually and I did another coat. So this in total has about 3 coats of the Rust-Oleum. This is totally optional. I just saw some imperfections. There was like little debris or something on the paint, And this is mostly because I haven't cleaned the garage, so it fell on it, and I knew I had to sand it, so I might as well throw some extra layers of paint. So I did 3 coats with 3 cans of Rust-Oleum. While the phone was charging, I just let this dry, came back, and I actually sanded with the Super Acrylics, the K800, and this is where we're at right now. So we have a pretty smooth surface, um, ready for some clear coat. So for the clear coat, I have the Platinum Clear. This is from eBay. It's a 4-to-1 mix, and I already have my mixture right here. So just gonna go ahead and add it to the spray gun, add the clear coat to the hood and the wiper cowl, and we should be done with this paint job. Okay, well, here's the vehicle, the Expedition. And as I said, this is still a work truck, so something that doesn't require like hundreds of hours of body work and hundreds of dollars of material. This can be done quite easily and on a budget, like especially within a day or two. So this is Rust-Oleum paint, very cheap, which cheap in price, but the quality of the paint is still great. Plus we added some clear coat, the Platinum. Again, it's a budget clear coat, but it still protects the paint. I also did the grill. This is in I think just satin or something. And don't be discouraged about the dent. As I said, it is a work truck, but this is way better than what it was. Look at all the beautiful reflection. Even the colors, it's just black. This is Canyon Black, Rust-Oleum. And this is just the factory paint. A bit worn out maybe. There's a lot of little rock chips, some scratches and stuff like that. So mostly the difference that you're going to notice is that this is brand new and this is pretty worn out. But other than that, it came out fantastic. It came out amazing. I would say professional quality. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you the wiper cowl as well. I painted it, some primer, black, and then the clear coat. Wiper arms as well, so they're painted. Those will get some brand new wiper blades. and it is ready. So leave some comments, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.